What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little review on the 125 or 225 DR, that guy there. Only because I need to get it in the bush soon. The reason for that, hang on a sec, let me flip around. Okay. Anyways, I wanted to get this done, video on it, what's going up first, but like I said, I have to get this thing out for the weekend. I have a memorial for my buddy's mom who passed away last year, later on in the year. Yeah. So I need to get this thing ready to go. But we're having some issues with it. As you saw in the last videos on it, we've changed the oil. Well, first of all, we got it all unstuck. We changed the oil, changed the diff fluid. Let me grab the light here. I forgot my LED flashlight at home. Ditzy me. Where is it? There we go. I put an AGM battery in it, so she fires right up. It's got the auger exhaust, which is causing some problems. We'll talk about that in this video. And that's about it with all we've done to it. It fires right up. Every now and then, like cold starts, I gotta choke it. But as you can see here, let me zoom in there. Tells you all the stuff about that, so it's not really that uncommon of an issue. So, well, now what's been going on with it? Well, the muffler there doesn't create enough back pressure, so in higher gears, at higher RPMs, it starts to choke itself out, I guess you could say. There's no, it starts to, do all that kind of fun jazz. And also doesn't have a headlight, as you guys can see in there. So night riding is dangerous. Ask me how I know. The other night, me and my kid came home on it because we were out on them. Hers is sitting out here, as you guys can see. Like, it should fire up. Oh, maybe not. Come on. It was just running. Like, it literally was just running. Oh, that's why. Maybe if I turn the choke or the power on, hey? There we go. It'll die just because I have it set low so that it doesn't, take off. But we were out on them and needs a light. So I'm gonna get this front end off of here. That's where we're gonna start today. We're gonna do just a little bit of general maintenance. But check this out, guys, before I do that. If you guys are interested, anybody is interested in this right here, comment down below, let me know. Send me an email at tallhoesandturbos.com and I will print one of these. I'll get one of these printed for you. If you're in the market, you don't like PDFs, you like catalogs, whatever. So let me know, and I can have one of these sent pretty much anywhere in the world. So, but now I'm gonna get this off, and we'll get the headlight installed. And then in this video as well, we are going to adjust on that clutch. So we're gonna get it ready to go for this weekend. Check this out, folks. When was the last time you saw that logo? Check it out. Went to All Sport in Regina to find a light bulb because I need a 3-prong guy. And wouldn't you know it, like this is the original, right? Wouldn't you know it, they had one. Oops. Old stock parts. Guess how much I paid for this? It was free. So now I'm gonna have a puff, thanks to Harvest Cannabis just down the alley here. Not sponsored, but hey, it'd be awesome if they were. And we'll get this in. All right, a couple of 12mm bolts right here. One on either side. You got to move the string when you do it, and gives you access. So let's get that out. All right, got the front end all back together. See if this headlight works, or if we have some kind of bigger issue. Turn it on. Nothing yet. Let's start. Oh. There we go. Haha. There we go. That's flipping awesome, guys. Not gonna lie, I put everything back together and it didn't want to work for me. So honestly, the plan was I had the screwdriver here because I thought that there was an issue in the box here. Because if you guys will remember, when we were redoing this thing, this was seized up. This was locked up. So I thought that internally something may have been corroded or loose. So the next part of this video is going to be us taking this apart and investigating it. But we don't have to do that now. Onto the clutch. Alright fellas, now it's time we do the clutch. As you can see there, we got to just back off the adjustment nut backwards, I guess, and then turn the screw and then tighten it up. I couldn't find my open end wrench, my 12, so I gotta use this guy here just to loosen it, and then we'll use this guy to tighten it with that guy. So yeah, here she is, and we'll be back with hopefully the final adjustment, because as you can see, it hasn't been done in a long time. So hopefully this helps. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, I backed it off and it made a complete turnaround. So hopefully that's better. I'm going to now take it out for a rip and we'll be back with a final verdict. But I think the next thing we're going to have to do on this thing is adjust the valves, which is right there. Here, let me zoom in. Right there, in here, and in here. Goddamn camera, sorry. I know I'm trying to be more family friendly, but still be, you know, legal in Canada. So, like, you know, yeah, people are like, oh, family friendly, but you drink beers and have hoolies. Well, up here that's legal. So, anyways, yeah, here's the exhaust valve, and then here's the intake valve. I got to adjust on them. Apparently, I'll get my compression back because I'm only at 90, and I should have a minimum of 114. So let's fire it up, and I'll be back with a final verdict. So far, ooh, I didn't realize my face was so squishy. All right, guys, let's see how this clutch works. I'm gonna try filming and riding at the same time. Wish me luck. Lights on. Headlight on. It is. That clutch is working way better. Holy shit! It actually does what it's supposed to. Oh, I don't know, guys. We may have fixed it. I was worried earlier about that exhaust, but I got her in a fourth, and you guys heard, she sounded really nice. So we're gonna end her today. Here. And we'll do this so you guys can actually hear me. Ugh. Ah! Got a big head in a small hole. Do with that what you will. Anyways, that's where I'm gonna end it today. I think we're gonna have a good chance of taking this thing out to the bush on Saturday. Next video is on that guy there. So stay tuned for that. If you guys have any comments, questions, anything like that about this thing, please drop it down in the comments. I'd like to hear about it. Just a guy trying to have fun. And don't mind my hair. I got the Ace Ventura thing happening. But, it is what it is. Anyways, thank you guys. Love you. See you next time. And God bless.